Welcome. And today, as you can see, uh, how you can design or make this kind of artwork. Actually, this is an abstract artwork, and this wavy eye artwork. So let's do it without wasting time. So I'm here. I'm going to take a A4 size paper. There's a blank paper, A4 size artboard. So it's a CMYK. You can make it RGB color, no issue. Go to more settings, cancel it, and now create. Now here I have this artboard. I'm just increasing and make it a somehow square type of artboard. So I have this artboard. So first of all, uh, so I need to make this kind of effect. See, the nice effect. You can put this effect to t-shirt or anything else in your project. So first of all, this is no stroke and fill, and see here I'm going to make a stroke type of things with the help of rectangle. And sorry, it's not going to work. Rectangle. I'm just take this with the help of pen tool. This is very thin, you cannot see what's happening here. So I'm just going to increase the strokes. The stroke size should be 10. Okay, now hit OK, and you can see this is a normal stroke. So from this, hitting Alt and hold it and drag it down to with the help of Shift, and your smart guide is always help you to this pink line. You can see the smart guide. If you don't see anything of this tools, go to the window and check it for seeing this and this layer panel. And now what I'm going to do, just selecting both of this, and there are two way to converting this kind of lines. Okay, so first of all, do one thing, go to this effect, and here effect called the transform. Okay, there you can do this. Another thing you can do, just copy pasted font, and now hitting Alt one time, and now copy pasted font. Either you do it here or here. Okay, no issue. And after that you can blend it. After that you can but blend it's does not going to work here. So after that you can do this, but here for the tutorial purpose I'm going to do just remove this thing, remove this one also. I'm going to remove, not removing, just Control Z, and now selecting all of this, and now go to effect here and distort and transform. See this transform, and now here the effect, here preview mode should be on, checked, and here the vertical line, see more vertically, transform. So this is a vertical line here, 25 pixel here. In your case it should be another. So copies lots of time it's happening for the preview mode on, and it showing you the preview of this happening in our artboard. So this is hit OK, and now after that this is a uh, this is locked here. So this is path and this is path. You can uh, check this and hitting Alt. You can do this path here. Work. You can see this is path. Okay, this path. Okay, now it's a nice strip type of effect. Now what I'm going to do, just see, it's a 10 pixel 10 point see strokes. So we need to do like this. So there are another effect. Go to this, not this. Go to Windows, and here, and sorry, not Windows. Go to this object, and here you can see this envelop and transform, and this make mesh. Okay, so preview mode should be on, and here you can see this mesh and the column area. This is column. Okay, 4 should be better. Now 3. Okay, so here 3 row and 4 column. Hit OK, and now we have this kind of thing. And now with the help of direct selection tool, I'm hitting and holding shift and selecting this kind of columns. Okay, now after that press the up and down arrow and see what happened. Okay, now see this wave type of effect is working here. Okay, now it's sorry, it's okay. Now here your eyes and this point should be better like this, like this. Okay, now we have got this kind of thing, this kind of wave. Okay, look nice. Here you can put the eyes, but this eyes here in this position, here in this positions should be put. And for this, before doing this, you should go and do this here and expand everything. So expand everything is like this, object, and here is the planar transparency, and here is a expand. Now expand, and now another time see this expand everything. So it's everything now, it's a object. Okay, this no more path or strokes. Now it's a object. Now what are we going to do here? Just with the help of this tool or locked it, another thing, and here in this positions this curve is going to work. Okay, so work with this curve with the help of pen tool or the another tool, and here we are going to make we are doing a mistake actually. Control Z and Control Z. So we have to do one thing before doing like this, this overlapping. So the basic idea is you can do this kind of artwork like this, but before this you should make one curve is like this and another curve is like this. So we are going to expand everything. Now expand. Now after expanding we have got this kind of objects, no path or stroke. So here from this to ungroup this thing and another type ungroup, another time ungroup. So we have this curve. So now we have this. Now transform, reflect. To reflect this horizontal and this is vertical. Go for the horizontal and you get this curve. Okay, put it like this, and after that control and copy and paste it on, copy, paste it on, copy, paste it on couple of times. Now you get lots of this, and now hit one and hit here with the help of shift. Now here you get the option like vertically distribute top. So go with this, you can see this does not work. So because why this not work, it's a object. Okay, now hitting alt and you should manually do this. So smart guide is always help you to point out the right place. Here. Okay. Now this should be, and sorry, this should be like this, and grouping this one, and for grouping we have finally get this kind of effect. Okay, this kind of thing, because it's an abstract work, so you be patient. You should be patient. Now united things, this is united, and this is not necessary. Sorry, this is not necessary here. Unnecessary part. Delete unnecessary things. Join this thing. Join this thing. Now join. Now here we get this kind of thing, and now we get this effect. So This is actually the basic idea how you can create this kind of things. It's not a replica of this thing. Okay. So after that is easy. Make a people like this, and now copy paste it font. Now alt, and that you can get this kind of thing. Now go to the object here. Sorry, here you can find path, offset path. Offset path is show click here. So offset path is like this 15 points, and now go to this path, offset path. Now hit couple of times, go to this path, offset path. Now 15 points, another offset path, go to this path and offset path. There is another path. Okay. Now control and cut it. Okay, another layer under this layer. Okay, and you can get this kind of effect, this kind of eye and type of effect. So we have get this effect and idea how to create this kind of thing. After that we're making box. After that making box, we can make box like this. This is box, and this is, and now make clipping mask. So got this thing. Okay, so nice abstract artwork, black and white artwork. Okay, only wave we have the help of wave effect. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Okay, and if you want to watch this kind of video tutorial, stay tuned and subscribe this channel. Thank you.